everyone, so happy Saturday. We are going to be doing our huge PR haul that we do every Saturdays. So I actually have a ton of packages behind me right now. So I think I'm actually going to split this up into 2 videos because as you guys know, I am pre-filming a ton right now. I don't know when baby girl is going to come. My due date is October 20th. I always get questions asked about that, but I feel like I'm progressing a lot faster than normal. So there's a good chance that she might come a little bit earlier. So I'm really trying to pre-film as much as I can. So that way I still have content up while I'm gone. So just bear with me, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do maybe half of these packages and then pre-film for the following PR haul for the next Saturday as well. So I hope that's okay with you guys. But before we get into this unboxing here, make sure to click that subscribe button for future reviews and everything on these products. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys love PR unboxings and being able to see swatches of all the new launches. And now without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. All right, so first off, we got one from Fresh, and it says, "Hi Madison, we wanted you to be the first to try the newest Fresh fragrance, Rose Morning Eau de Parfum, inspired by a rose blooming in the morning sun. The scent is dewy, petal light expression of the iconic flower. We can't wait to hear what you think." So, ooh, we got a perfume. How exciting. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. So this is what they sent over right here. I love it how everything's cutely packaged right there. And then they sent over, I've been dying to try this out. So this is the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Definitely am going to test this out and see how I like that. They also sent over the Rose Floral Toner, which is infused with soothing rose water right here. I like these little sizes too. And then they have the Rose Morning. Is this like a roller ball that they sent? Oh, this is the roller ball. Okay, let's see how this smells. Oh my God, that actually smells really, really good. Oh, it smells like roses. This smells really nice and floral and just fresh, you know? It just smells really good. So that's what the roller ball looks like. And then they sent over the spray right here. I really like the smell. I don't have anything that smells like this. And then this is what the packaging looks like of that. I like how clean and sleek this is. It's that same scent, so I actually really like that. I'm not usually a huge fan of floral stuff, but this one was really nice and just kind of fresh and just flirty, I want to say. So thank you so much to Fresh for sending those over. I also cannot wait to try out this toner right here because I've heard really good things about it. All right, so next up we got a package from Mercier, and they sent over their caviar stick eye colors right here. So first off, this is what the little bag looks like. A really nice little makeup bag that's actually would go really well in a purse. And then, oh my goodness, they sent over all of their caviar sticks. Whoa. They also say that they have a 12-hour wear to them too. I like these just for a nice base if you are doing more of a bolder look. And then also I like kind of the champagne one to use all over my lid just for a quick everyday look, or even the bronze one. And that's all I will use. It's just really nice because it's quick and easy to do and it looks very well put together. Let's do Sandal Glow so that way I can show you guys what it looks like. So there it is right there. Oh, this is a pretty color. Oh, these are so nice. They are so fine. They blend out beautifully too. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Thank you so much to Mercier for sending these over. I cannot wait to test out more of the shades. All right, so next up I got a package from a lovely subscriber, and oh my gosh, I am truly, truly grateful, you guys. So it says, "Madison, I hope this helps with any headaches you get. There is peppermint essential oil in it, to which pets don't like, so I recommend you don't let Elsa and Ollie near your head when you use it. Hope it works for you." And this is from Jill, so thank you so much, Jill. P.S. Don't put it too close to your eyes, otherwise it will make your eyes water. But oh, I've heard that peppermint is supposed to really help with headaches too, and I don't get them that often anymore since I've been pregnant. But when I've been pregnant, I haven't been able to take Excedrin migraine, and that's usually was the only thing that would take away my headaches. So I take the Tylenol, and Tylenol doesn't do anything. And I believe I remember, Jill, you tweeting me saying that you were going to send something, and I've heard good things about peppermint. So she sent over the Peppermint Halo Headache Remedy right here. So thank you so much. I wish I would have opened this up sooner because I had the worst headache on Tuesday. Ugh, I couldn't sleep all night. It was horrible. So definitely going to use this the next time I get a headache. And then also I got a sweet little card. I'm guessing it's from your daughter. And it says, congrats on your baby, yay, from Brooke. And she also did a really cute little drawing in there. Oh, I love it. And then they sent over this book. And if you guys didn't know, I used to be a preschool teacher. And this book seriously brings you to tears. It is the cutest book. I haven't gotten this for her yet. So I'm so grateful. It says, love you forever. And it seriously... you read it and it will just bring you to tears. It is the cutest book and it's so touching. So thank you so much for this, you guys. I am so grateful. Next up, I got a package from Moroccan Oil and this is their Night Body Serum. Ooh, right here. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says antioxidant rich argan and subaki oil deliver essential actives to help firm and nourish skin, vitamin C ester to help smooth and strengthen skin for a more radiant, youthful looking appearance. The holy basil extract helps protect skin against environmental aggressors. After only 1 week of use, 8 out of 10 women notice firmer and smoother skin. I could use that right now. My skin can definitely use this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a nice glass packaging. So I am definitely excited to try this out and I will let you guys know how it works for me. Next up, I got this really cute package from Pixi by Petra. This is to Pixi Lovely and a special delivery just for you. So this is really cute. So this is, it looks like a letter, like an envelope, and then you just open it up. I would love for you to mix your dream color and name it. I'm excited to see what you create. XO. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, they said can't wait to see what you created. Don't forget to send back your custom shade by December 31st. So you can create your own custom shade in here. Oh, they even sent like the little mixes and stuff that you can mix together. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And then you send it back, like you can mix your own shade right here and you send it in that little envelope. That is so neat. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here with their other shades. Oh, I'm totally gonna do that. That's gonna be so much fun. But let's go ahead and swatch one. I want to do Bare Beauty because this is definitely one that I grab. Oh, I love these applicators. This is like kind of like that Smashbox applicator. It makes it so easy to fill in your lips. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. That one is beautiful. Like if I mix a shade, it'd probably be this, maybe a little bit of pink in it, but it'd be around this shade right here because it's like my go-to shade. But that is beautiful. These are their matte last liquid lips, by the way, and they're infused with rose hip oil. So definitely tons of different shades. I think even this one right here, Real Red, will be really pretty too for like the Christmas time. I'm so ready for Christmas. I'm so excited that I'm gonna have her for Christmas. I keep telling Joel, I'm like, we're gonna have her for Christmas. Like, it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait. But this is that red. That is a beautiful red right there as well. So I'm so excited to mix my own custom shade. That is so cool. So I'm definitely going to do that. So thank you so much to Pixi for sending these over. All right, so next up, I got a package from Avon. It says, Dear Madison, we hope that you fall in love with our best of beauty right here. So they sent over, oh wow, they sent over quite a bit of products in here. So here's the card. And then I love this makeup bag right here. This makeup bag is awesome. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so they sent over the Unlimited Lashes. This is the Lash and Brow Activating Serum. Ooh, I could use you. I probably won't use you until after she comes because I don't like to use any products like this, like while I'm pregnant. But after she comes, definitely, I would love to use the Lash and Brow Serum because my lashes, I have like a lot of lashes, but they're kind of short because I think my eyes are bigger, so that's why they look shorter. And then I have no brows. I have absolutely no brows, so definitely want to use that. And then they sent over Avon, a new Hydra Fusion Replenishing Serum. So it's a hyaluronic acid, raspberry antioxidant right here. So it's basically a serum that's very hydrating. Then they sent over a gel cream right here. So this is another great hydrating moisturizer. And then we have an eyeshadow. We have two eyeshadow quads right here. Let's go ahead and open up one of them. So this is what it looks like. So it has all the steps in there too of how to create a look. This is like definitely would be like a go-to look for me. It's kind of like what I did today. I love them because honestly, you could pair any lip with them and be good to go. It's just an easy go-to look that I love. And then we have their Avon True Color, this is their mascara right here. And then we have some lip products. So we have their Lip Glow in red. This is the shade Ignite. And then we have the shade Estrella right here. We have some eyeliners. Yeah, we have the Blackest Black eyeliner right here from Avon, and then also a brown one too. And then a ooh, that's a pretty lipstick color right there. It's like a mauve lipstick. And then another like more of a nude lipstick. So thank you so much to Avon for sending those over. They're very reasonably priced. Like the eyeshadow quads are only $8. The lipsticks are only $8. The eyeliners are $7. The mascara is $12. The lip products are $8. And then, ooh, the lash and brow serum is $60. And the replenishing serum is $40, and the hydration gel cream is $32. So thank you so much for sending those over. We'll definitely be testing those out. All right, so next up, I got a package from Beauty by Pop Sugar right here. And I'm just gonna open it up. Let's see what the card says. It says, hey Madison, meet the newest addition to lip care family, Lip Bloom. This balm blooms into the perfect pink hue based on your pH. The formula is enriched with vitamin E, sunflower seed, and jojoba seed oils to keep lips soft. Give them the TLC they deserve while rocking your own unique shade. Love lip balms too, so I am down for these. All right, so they sent over a lip scrub right here. Let me open that up. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's in like a stick form. I love the stick form ones. That is awesome. Oh, that's okay. That's going into my bathroom. And then here is the Be Calm Lip Saver. So it just looks like this. And you just squeeze it out and it's a lip balm. So definitely, I love lip balms. Like they just save me. I literally have one on my nightstand. I have one on my end table in my living room. There's one right in, like there's a ton behind me in these drawers because I cannot live without them. And then here is the In Bloom one. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. Look at that packaging right there. Looks super nice and hydrating. I cannot wait to try that out. Definitely a product that I would probably put in my purse and just have with me on the go. Thank you so much to Beauty by Pop Sugar for sending those over. All right, so next up we got a package from Profusion Cosmetics and they said fall into fall. So they always wrap everything up really nicely, like super nicely with tissue paper. So let's go ahead and open these up. I've been really impressed by Profusion. You can get them at Target if you guys didn't know. So they said, ooh, this would be a nice little holiday set right here. So this is the Lips to Go Matte Lip Cream, Matte Lip Liner, and Sparkling Lip Topper right here. And these are a really pretty red for the holidays. Seriously, whoever wraps these, I would love it if they would come and wrap like my Christmas presents this Christmas because the wrapping is like pristine. Oh my gosh. I actually am like a horrible gift wrapper. Like, I don't know why, but I'm so bad at wrapping gifts. So I always have Joel do it because everything that he does, it's so meticulous and perfect. It's like amazing when you see his wrapping. It's so funny, you guys. So I always have him do the wrapping because it's just like literally perfect. I like to make my baskets where I do the shrink wrap and the ribbon, and I think that's really pretty. But if there's any wrapping like with wrapping paper, all him. All right, so this is a beautiful palette right here. So this is the Profusion Chocolates. We've tested out, what was it, the Sienna palette on my channel. And remember, like, you guys, it was so good. You get a dual-ended brush in here, and then these are the shades. I was so impressed by the eyeshadows in the palette, like blown away. So I cannot wait to test this one out. This is like the perfect fall palette right here. I love the greens. I love the bronzy, like chocolate tones. I think it's beautiful. You've got your matte cream shades in here. You've got your transition shade. You have mattes and shimmers. It's just a beautiful palette and they're so reasonably priced. I believe it is $9.99 for this palette, you guys. Like, that is such a good price. So I'm gonna swatch a couple real quick. That is what Throne looks like right there. And then let's do Wicked. Here is Wicked. Beautiful. And then let's go into Focus. Focus is really pretty too. So here is Focused. Oh. See, really pretty. For the price, it definitely blows me away with the quality. So I can't wait to test this out on the eyes. We'll have to do it in a future video. But again, very impressed with Profusion. Really, really impressed with them. All right, so this is my kind of lip right here. This is another Lips to Go one, and this is more of the brown shade. Where is the color? Fantasy. So you can see these ones are brown. So they have, again, the matte lip cream, the matte lip liner, and the sparkling lip topper to them. Another good one for the fall time. All right, so the last product they sent over is the 5-color face palette right here in Sunlight. So it comes with a brush and you get like a bronzer, blushes, and highlight in there. Look at that. Really pretty. I'm actually gonna save this for a video, and then it also has like a face map on the back. But you get 2 radiant highlighters, 2 natural blush shades, easy to blend bronzer, and a Pro Series face brush in here. And this one retails for $6.99. Holy moly. So definitely excited to try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so that is all I'm gonna unbox for this PR unboxing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this PR unboxing. We have a ton of makeup to try out. Also, I'm gonna start like packing up boxes and start doing giveaways here soon. I've just been trying to get other things in order first, and I don't wanna forget about choosing a winner or shipping a package out right now because I've got serious pregnancy brain. So definitely mystery box giveaways are going to be coming soon. I'm just wanting to get my head around everything else first before I have to worry about giveaways and stuff. So stay tuned for those. Give this video a thumbs up if you love seeing all the new launches and can't wait to see the reviews on these products. And I will see you guys in my next video.